So let me tell you what I'll be using for this green smoky eye look. Please excuse my voice because I am stopped up. So bear with me, okay? So I'll be using this green crayon pencil from Sephora. It is in the color Kaki or Kaki. K-A-K-I. I will list all the products in the bottom section below. Next, I will also be using a color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't care if you get tired of me saying Jaclyn Hill palette, because if I am going to spend the amount of money that I spent on this palette, I am going to run through all these colors like it's nobody's business, okay? So the color I'll be using is Enchanted. It is a jade green color. And then for my crease, I'll be using Saddle from MAC. Saddle is like this orangey, brownish orange color. I just got me some lashes from Lashes by Lush. Y'all, these are gorgeous! Here's what they look like. So excited. You know what? I'm just going to go bold and nasty with this eye look. I'm just going to really pack this color on. And I'm just going to see what happens. Because you know what? If it doesn't look good, I can wipe it off. That's my motto. That's the beauty of makeup. If you don't like it, just wipe it off. Start over. Try something different. People are scared of makeup and they don't like makeup, but they never tried it. It's just like telling a kid to try this broccoli. And they're like, no, it's nasty. But they never had broccoli before. So how you gonna tell me it's nasty? How you gonna tell me you don't like makeup and you never put it on? At least give it a try. I mean, if you really want to go for it, just do it. It's so funny when I think back on the time where I was into, when I started out with makeup, and I was just going in, like always putting makeup on, trying new things, and I just thought I looked like the bomb.com. I had so much confidence when I was just doing my makeup. And when I look back at it, it's like my foundation shade wasn't matching. My eyeshadow could be blended just a little bit more. You know, I just found a lot of things about my makeup when I look back at the pictures. But at that time, that's not what I was thinking about. At that time, I was like, damn, your girl know how to slay this face. So, you know, over time, sometimes you just lose that confidence. You lose that spark that you have when it comes to, you know, celebrating what you did for yourself. I lost that and I gained it back. But it's just so interesting to me on how I changed so much over time. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go ahead and play with this pencil. This is Sephora Creamy Crayon Pencil. You can use this as an eyeliner as well. Yeah, I think I kind of messed myself up when I did that. I broke the tip off. And I had to get a pencil sharpener. And I brought my lighter just in case we might need to, you know, heat it up a little bit. Alright, back to business. Honestly, I really think you can skip this step of putting the eye primer on. But I put it on anyway for the sake of my crease color so that it can pop. And then once I get done with this pencil, I am going to go over with that color Enchanted from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to go right up here to where I feel my eye socket. I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend out those edges. But you know what, this is a smoky eye, so like I said, we're going to get a little nasty with the color. We're not going to be scared of color today. We're going to embrace it. Because you know why? Because if it don't look good, you can take it off, but when it does look good, girl, you're slayed. You are looking fabulous. we have our moments where we don't look good like we want to. We don't look as good as we want to after we didn't spend like 30 minutes on beating our face. But you know what? It is what it is. We'll just try again later. P.Louise is coming off on the pencil, which is preventing the color from the pencil to come on the lid. Come off on the lid, so I just had to wipe off a little bit on the back of my hand. Okay. Now I'm going to take this blending brush, blend out these edges. Now I'm going to go with the Enchanted, and I am going to set my lid. Oh, that green color is so beautiful from that Sephora crayon pencil. I'm just going to hit the middle of it because I really love that shimmer from the pencil. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God. Yes, honey. Now for the ones that has been in the makeup world, trying things out, growing, what was like one of your embarrassing moments? I wouldn't even say embarrassing, like cringing moments when you look back at some of your old pictures and you be like, what was I thinking? Like the time when we had no skinny brows and we thought that was like the bombest thing to have back in the day. Thin brows. Oh gosh. Ugh. Me and best friend, we was posted up in high school with the thin brows. But you know what? We had all the confidence in the world. We didn't care. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright, so I'm just going to blend the edges out for this as well, very lightly. Now I am going to take a clean blending brush and I am going to go in the color Saddle from MAC. And I'm going to go on a crease with this color. It's like I have the soft edges here when I add the Saddle, and then I'm going back in with the green, the Enchanted, and I'm going above my lid. That way it looks like I got a whole lot of lid. Now the same brush that I used for Saddle, I'm just going to wipe that off. And then I'm just going to use it to blend out my edges from the crease. Blend out my edges when I apply that crease color. I want it to look soft. Fabulous. Now I'm going to go in with this green pencil and I'm going to use this as my liner. Ooh. Now when I'm applying this liner, I'm not necessarily on the inner rim of my lower lash line. I am applying that there in that space right below that lash line. And that space to be here. And I don't feel like you really have to go down low with the pencil because it would do it on its own when you're going back and forth. So try to stay as close to the lash line as possible and the pencil will do the work itself. Definitely worth the investment because it saves you some time with application. Once again, you can use this as a regular lid color. You can use this as a base for like this look, a smoky green eye. And you already is already a pencil, so you can use this as your liner. And they got brown, they got black, they got purple. I need to get some more because this saves time. It makes it easy. It makes it easy for your girl. And I mean, if you can apply makeup a little bit easier, if you can get things to make it where you don't have to work as hard, I'm all for it. I'm going to use this angled brush. And just some angled brush from Luxie. Just get any kind of angled brush. And I'm just going to apply this as close to the lash line as possible. And I'm just going to stay on the outer corner to create that dramatic look. Done, done, done. And I'm just going to take this brush and just blend it out a little bit more. Just going to go in with my Black Opal Cream Foundation. Yeah, it kind of cleans it up right here as well. Now again, this was like another clean blending brush that I was using. And I'm just going to soften that up. And I am holding my brush at the very end. So again, it is a soft blend. Y'all, I'm ready to apply these lashes. Yes! Ah! Let's go ahead and apply these. I said I'm going to do Big Baby. Now I do have a lash tutorial. And I'll show you how to apply strip lashes. I go in depth with measuring them, practicing, applying the lashes to your real lashes and everything. So if you want a more detailed explanation on applying lashes, I also talk about how I take the lashes off of the container without messing them up. So yeah, go take a look at that so you can learn a little bit. I need to get some more scissors. Because a lot of times when you do have some fresh, unique lashes, oh, these are gorgeous. Oh my God. You want to make sure you clip off that extra end on the lash. Let me get some scissors real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so the glue is not really tacky on one of these lashes. Let's try this one. Ooh, and the hairs feel so beautiful. They feel so soft and real. She got those real meat lashes. Ah! Ah! Do you see this? Oh my God. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing in these streets. I don't really be in the streets, but you know what I mean. And it just feels so authentic. Oh my goodness. These feel amazing. Apply some mascara to the bottom lash. Make them pop with this liquid lash extension from Causemetics. I live by this mascara. I don't want to make love to any other mascara but this one. Talk about an easy dramatic eye. Like when your lash meets your eyebrows. I'm so stopped up. Ooh. Who am I? Hey, Miss Carter. So that's a nice glam look. I really love this look. I really love these lashes actually. So to really make this look easier for you, and you don't really have to spend that much time in going into different colors to see what looks good, telling you that Sephora crayon pencil is really going to make your life a lot easier. I love it. I want to get more colors in it for real because it's so freaking amazing. And you can build on top of the color by adding an eyeshadow color on top of the creamy crayon pencil. Heck, it's a green crayon pencil, but you don't have to add a green eyeshadow color on top of it. Go wild, add a purple, add a plum, just see what happens with it. I might just do that for one of the tutorials in the future. I'm going to keep that in mind. So, if you learned something from this tutorial, please like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, if you enjoy my vibe, my energy, and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. Leave your comments below. Y'all know the routine. You know, if you want to talk to your girl, if you want to ask some questions, I'm just here to help you. I'm trying to spread my gifts to the world so that I can bless you in so many different ways. You just watched Jasmyne Alexis. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I love y'all so much. Thank you. Bye.